Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, a lot of people are very upset right now with the untimely death of Mr. Peanut in the new Super Bowl ad. So, in honor of Mr. Peanut, I want to show you guys how to draw Mr. Peanut. Now, to start off with Mr. Peanut, we're going to begin right up here on our paper, and you just want to draw a line that's just going to curve across like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and in. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just kind of curve down and then in a little bit. Then right here, I'm going to just start to curve out, and then I'm just going to curve around, and then you just want to come back up to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little oval shape that just goes out, and it's going to curve around, and then it's just going to come back to here. And that's going to be the brim of his hat. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to curve like this, kind of in a sad face, and then just come down like that for the top of the hat. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just curves up and down. And then right here, I'm going to make a long, tall V that just goes up and down right here. Now for the face. Starting right here, we want to draw his little monocle. So I'm just going to make a big circle shape for his monocle. And then inside of it, I'm going to put a little curved line. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up for an eyebrow, and then it's going to come down like this, and then curve into the nose. Then for his eye, all you want to do is draw a little sad face shape. And then we're going to put a little black dot in there for the eye. Now for the mouth, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up. And then I'm going to curve down and then back up in a smiley face shape. And then you just want to draw a little line across, and that's going to be his teeth. And then right underneath this line, you can just color in the rest of his mouth. Now, starting right here, right where the line starts to curve in, I'm going to just draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to go right down by his body and down to here, and then you just curve up. Now, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down on each side. And then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves out, and then it's going to come back. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes out, and then it's going to curve back up here. Then, starting over here, for his other arm, I'm going to draw a line that just goes out, and then it's going to come back in. And then you just want to make one more that goes out and then kind of curves back. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes out and then kind of curves down. Then you just want to go in and then draw a line that curves down for the other hand. Then right here, you just want to draw a line that's going to curve around and it's going to come up to here. And then I'm going to add a few little lines for the fingers. Then, starting right here, we want to make his cane. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to curve back up by the hand. And then it's just going to come down here like this, and then it's going to curve back up to here. Now for his legs. So for the first one, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that just goes down to about here, and then it's going to curve up, and it's going to get a little bit wider as it comes back towards the body. And then for his foot, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across at an angle. Then you want to go down, over, and up. Then right here, you just want to curve down and then sweep it back around. And then there's just going to be a little curved line on it. Then right here, I'm going to just draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to go over at an angle. Same thing here, down and then over. And then I'm just going to draw right through this leg because we are going to be coloring this black. Do the same thing here. Then right here, I'm just going to curve a line that goes down, and then I'm going to curve it in and around like this. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go down farther and then in. And then it's just going to curve around. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mr. Peanut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.